There's an ice cream truck in Virginia and it only comes out after midnight. But what kind of ice cream truck hunts in the dark? Families keep waking up to shaky videos, the truck creeping through empty streets, music echoing through the cold air. You probably think it's just bad timing from some weird night shift. But you're completely wrong, because every neighborhood it visits ends up reporting missing kids. So then why does the music sometimes stop mid-song and turn into whispers? Is the small shadow moving inside the truck when the driver is alone? If you believe this goes way darker than anyone thinks, like and subscribe.